Hey guys, Michaela here. I'm making my prop box video and I made a garden theme for like 3 to 5 year olds, but older kids could use it too and still get a kick out of it probably. Here I have a watering can, a couple pairs of shoes, some notebooks, gloves, spades, flower pots, a few fake flowers for instant results, and some little brown buttons that I'm going to be using for seeds. This is developmentally appropriate for kids of this age because they can dig around in the dirt and get really messy and discover that the little baby seeds can grow into big, huge flowers with little to no effort. It's high initial interest because there are a lot of colors, a lot of moving parts, and a little bit of dress up for the kids who like that. There's minimal adult supervision, nothing too sharp or pokey or anything, and it's fairly self-explanatory. The teacher can go through it once or twice with the kids if they need it, but they should be able to figure it out themselves mostly. It encourages cooperative play because there are multiples of each item and they can help each other make their own pot. Durable, everything is made of cotton or plastic. If you wanted to, you could exchange these flower pots for some plastic ones. These are what I had, so they're what I used. Safety, again, there's nothing too sharp or pokey about this. It'd be pretty hard to get into a huge disaster zone with all of these equipment. The notebooks are important so that kids can mark down what they're working on, what they're learning. They can draw pictures of what they think will grow and stuff like that. Extra furnishings that you could use for this, you could use a hose to fill up your watering can or your bucket. You could have a picnic table out so kids could sit at it, or just some chairs, anything to make your students feel more like they're in a garden scene. 3 books that I chose to use for this are One Little Lot, a 1, 2, 3 of urban gardening, which can show kids how gardens aren't always formed in the straight lines in the backyard gardens that they think about. It can be made anywhere. There's also Badger's Perfect Garden, which is about this badger who plants the perfect rows of garden, and then a big storm comes and washes all the seeds away. But then the seeds grow and they're beautiful. They're just scattered around everywhere, and it can show you that beauty can happen even without all the structure that goes with it. And then the last one I chose is From Seed to Plant, which is more of an instructional book. It shows like the development of the plants, the development of the seed as it grows, and how like the birds and the bees pollinate the plants. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and you can make this at home. Good job.